This video will show you how to submit a recording in Schoology. So first, when you are in Schoology, you go to your courses. Pick the course, and then find your assignment. This one is called Make a Recording. Click. Here are the directions. Make a recording of yourself answering the following questions. I will include sentence starters for you to use when speaking. And here are the sentence starters. So here is how I make my recording. I click on Submit Assignment. Where it says Upload, there is a microphone. I click on the microphone. Now I decide if I want an audio only, which means only my voice, or if I want to record audio and video, so both my voice and a video of myself. I want only audio. When I'm ready, I start recording. Hi, my name is Ms. Brady. Now I can listen to myself by pressing play. If I like my recording, I can click Insert Recording. If I don't like it, I can click the X and I can start again. Now I'll make a new recording. I pick audio only. I start recording. What I like most about remote learning is seeing all my assignments on my computer. Stop. Now I can listen to it. And if I like my recording, I click Insert Recording. Now I can click Submit. Here it shows that I submitted the assignment. If I want to make another recording, I click Resubmit Assignment. Now I can again go to Upload, click the microphone. I can make another recording. This is my third recording. Stop. I can insert this. I can also choose to delete it if I don't like it. Or I could even do another one right here. This is my last recording. Stop. Insert recording. Now you can see both of my recordings. I can delete one by pressing X. I could edit details and give it a title. I just want to submit. Now I can see all of my submissions right here.